In this video, you will learn how to reactivate a Facebook account. Reactivate your Facebook account. You can reactivate your Facebook account at any time by logging back into Facebook or by using your Facebook account to log in somewhere else. Open a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Go to www.facebook.com. Sign in to your Facebook account. Enter your email address or phone number. And your password. Click on Login. You have now reactivated your Facebook account. Congratulations! Now you know how to reactivate a Facebook account. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.